Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials and then act. Install the runtime and dependencies, open the project folder, and locate the config file. Once done, run the initial install command so the environment has all packages. This step prevents runtime errors later. Make sure to fix missing versions now, because continuing without them causes wasted time. You will see progress logs, note warnings, but proceed if no fatal errors. Save the output log for debugging. You now execute the core workflow and observe behavior. Start the primary command with appropriate flags to load the chosen config and enable verbose logs. This reveals hidden errors and timing. Once the process begins, watch logs and metrics for memory and CPU spikes, and trace exceptions immediately so you can roll back changes. If a task stalls, pause and inspect the last successful step before retrying. Make small adjustments and rerun targeted. You finish by validating outputs and solidifying the run. Test endpoints, inspect generated artifacts, and run unit tests to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, commit changes, tag a release, and update the README so others reproduce your steps. If something fails, enable debug mode and read the stack trace. The first stack frame with your code usually reveals the root cause. Make sure to revert any experimental flags before final deployment, and rerun the quick smoke tests to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.